Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Pay with Bank of America debit easy method step by step clearly. To use Apple Pay with your Bank of America debit card, start by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest version of. Next, open the Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus sign icon in the upper right corner to add a new card. Select debit or credit card from the options presented. Use your camera to scan your Bank of America debit card or enter the card details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. You might need to receive a verification code through a text message or email from Bank of America. Enter the verification code when prompted and tap Next. Once your card is verified, tap Done to finish adding your debit card to wallet. To make a purchase using Apple Pay, ensure your iPhone is near the payment terminal. Double-click the side button or home button to activate Apple Pay. If prompted, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see a checkmark and hear a beep. Your transaction is now complete. Keep in mind that you can use Apple Pay at participating merchants and apps. If needed, you can manage or remove your cards in the Wallet app at any time. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay with your Bank of America debit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.